Guys, for learning English, what you need? What you need? Only a smartphone. There is nothing more than that you need. There is nothing more than that you need. You just need a smartphone. And in this era, in this social media era, in this modern era, everybody has a smartphone. Everybody has a mobile phone. They can use mobile phone in a good manner, and they can learn a lot. They can learn any kinds of skill by using a smartphone in a good manner. So why am I am recommending you to watch this video? Because this video will help you to get there. This video will help you to understand how to use mobile phone for learning English. Okay, so watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and like this video and comment on my video. Okay guys, use YouTube in a good manner. And guys, I am speaking the truth that YouTube is the only platform that I have used for learning this language, and I have been using this for many kinds of purposes. And YouTube is very good. YouTube is very good thing to learn anything. There are the teachers, there are the there is a lot of content that by following that content we can learn. Just we need to hold our hands for the good things. We don't have to be distracted by the bad things which can distract us. For that you have to be aware. Awareness will keep you safe from the bad habits. Awareness. Okay, so please be aware about your future. Be aware about what is going to be important for you. Be aware what is relevant now. So use your smartphone for that purpose and learn a lot. YouTube can help you a lot. YouTube is the only thing that I will highly recommend. You don't need to join any paid courses. You don't need to go offline classes. You don't need to go and have a conversation one in starting. If you are a beginner, you can learn English language by yourself by using YouTube at home without stepping out of your home. You can learn English. It is just a language. It is just a language, nothing more than that. If UPSC preparation can be done by using only this platform, so this is just a language we can learn by using YouTube. Just use it. And guys, English is very important language. English has become very, very important. Girls, boys, please listen to me. Please start learning this language. It has become very, very important language. No one can hide the truth. No one can hide the truth, the reality. This is the reality. English has become a very relevant language. If we are able to learn this language, there are the multiple earning options can be open for you. If you are able to learn this language. So please learn this language, start learning, and you will feel better. You will feel very good after learning, and you can learn this language at home. That is, you don't need to go in classes. You don't need to go anywhere for practicing. Just use YouTube for listening practice, for watching the videos which are relevant for learning this language. Okay, so I just wanted to recommend you use YouTube for learning this language. YouTube will help you a lot. YouTube will help you in 70 to 80% of the things for learning this language. Okay, so use YouTube in a good manner and start learning this language as soon as possible. Don't be too late. Don't procrastinate your learning process on tomorrow, because tomorrow will never come. You will just procrastinate, and after passing a lot of time, you will realize that if I would have started learning this language, I would have been very good learner. I would have been a speaker I would have learned this language if I would have practiced a lot, if I would have started before. Start learning this language as soon as possible. You can learn this language at home without stepping out of your home. You don't need to go outside for practicing. You just need a smartphone where you just have to watch the videos which are relevant for spoken English. You just have to watch. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please then you have to like and subscribe to my channel and comment on my videos, was it helpful or not. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another specific video. I will be uploading these kinds of relevant videos for you. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye.